Okay, let's look at the homework 7.2, 7.3, problem number 2. Right. So it says that describe the traces of the surface here with these guys. Right. So let's do that. All right. So you have y equals x squared plus z squared, and we want to cut it using using the xy plane. Right. XY plane, the equation for XY plane is z equals to 0. Right? So, to find the equation, for example, if you have a YZ plane, so what's missing is x, right? So you just set x equal to 0. So the equation for that is x equal to 0. But anyway, we want to cut it with plane z equals 0. So all you have to do is put 0 in there. So you're going to have y equals x squared, right? Plus, 0 squared, right? Which is, of course, y equals x squared, right? Here, it's easy. So you have a plane, y equals 2. So you just plug it in. So you will have 2 is equal to, so 2 is plugged in. And then you have x squared plus z squared, right? So this is going to be a circle on this. So you have radius square root of 2. So you have x squared plus z squared is equal to 2. Right? Same thing here, x equals 0. So you have y equals, right, plug in 0 squared plus z squared. So you have y equals z squared. So that's a parabola in z. Right? So let's type it in. All right. So this was here, y equals x squared. X squared. Right, and this was x squared plus z squared, and is equal to 2. Right, this was y equals z squared. All right, then if you scroll down a bit, all right, so we want to classify the surface. All right, so you can see that there are two kinds of equation that we went over that has one variable doesn't have a square. Right, so it was it's elliptic paraboloid or hyperbolic paraboloid. So we have to determine which one. So the one with the negative sign is going to be the hyperbolic paraboloid. So this guy is an elliptic paraboloid. So let's see if we have that choice. So yep, you have an elliptic paraboloid, right? So that's that. So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got all of these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.